Zinc is a mineral that our bodies need, but we don't make it ourselves. We have to get zinc from our diet, so it's important to eat enough of it. Zinc is the second most common mineral in our bodies, after iron. If you don't get enough zinc, you might experience symptoms like diarrhea, a weak immune system, changes in taste and smell, dry skin or acne, low fertility, and slow wound healing. Zinc has many important roles in the body, and in this video, we'll share surprising health benefits of taking zinc and why it's important to get enough. Let's get started. Zinc is important for keeping your immune system strong. It's needed for the function of immune cells and for communication between them, so not getting enough zinc can weaken your immune response. Zinc supplements can stimulate certain immune cells and lower oxidative stress. For example, a review of 7 studies found that taking 80 to 92 milligrams of zinc daily can shorten the common cold by up to 33%. Additionally, some older studies suggest that zinc supplements can greatly lower the risk of infections and help improve immune response in older adults. Zinc is often used in hospitals to treat burns, certain ulcers, and other skin injuries. This mineral is crucial for collagen production, immune function, and the inflammatory response, all of which are important for proper healing. Interestingly, your skin contains a relatively high amount of zinc, about 5% of your body's total zinc content. A zinc deficiency can slow down the healing process, but taking zinc supplements can help speed up recovery for people with wounds. For instance, in a 12-week study involving 60 people with diabetic foot ulcers, those who took 50 milligrams of zinc daily saw significant reductions in ulcer size compared to those who received a placebo. If you are finding this information valuable, make sure to like this video so we can bring more content like this. Zinc may significantly lower your risk of age-related diseases such as pneumonia, infections, and age-related macular degeneration. It can help relieve oxidative stress and improve immune response by enhancing the activity of T cells and natural killer cells, which protect your body from infections. Older adults who take zinc supplements in some studies have shown better responses to influenza vaccinations, a reduced risk of pneumonia, and improved mental performance. For example, a 2007 study found that 45 milligrams of elemental zinc per day may decrease the incidence of infections in older adults by nearly 66%. Moreover, a 2013 study involving over 4,200 people found that taking daily antioxidant supplements, vitamin E, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, along with 80 milligrams of zinc, reduced vision loss and significantly lowered the risk of advanced age-related macular degeneration. Acne is a common skin condition that affects about 9.4% of people worldwide. It is caused by blocked oil glands, bacteria, and inflammation. Research indicates that both topical and oral zinc treatments can effectively manage acne by reducing inflammation, inhibiting the growth of P. acnes bacteria, and lowering oil gland activity. People with acne often have lower levels of zinc, so taking zinc supplements may help reduce symptoms. Zinc helps lower oxidative stress and reduces the levels of certain inflammatory proteins in the body. Oxidative stress can cause chronic inflammation, which is linked to various chronic illnesses like heart disease, cancer, and cognitive decline. In a 2010 study involving 40 older adults, those who took 45 milligrams of zinc daily saw greater reductions in inflammatory markers compared to the placebo group. A small study from 2020 found a possible link between low zinc levels and neurological symptoms. Researchers looked at 63 people experiencing headaches, tingling, peripheral neuropathy, and deficiencies in zinc and other micronutrients. After treating these deficiencies, the participants reported improvements in their neurological symptoms. People with type 2 diabetes often have low levels of zinc. Zinc may help lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels, making zinc supplementation potentially beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes. A 2019 review of several studies found that zinc supplementation might help control blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Additionally, a 2023 meta-analysis of randomized controlled trials concluded that zinc supplementation could be helpful for managing this condition. Severe zinc deficiency is rare, but it can occur in certain groups, including people with rare genetic mutations, breastfeeding infants whose mothers lack zinc, those with alcohol addictions, and individuals taking specific immune-suppressing medications. Symptoms of severe zinc deficiency include impaired growth and development, delayed sexual maturity, skin rashes, chronic diarrhea, slow wound healing, and behavioral issues. Milder forms of zinc deficiency are more common, especially among children in developing countries with diets lacking essential nutrients. It's estimated that around 2 billion people worldwide are deficient in zinc due to inadequate dietary intake. Zinc deficiency weakens the immune system, increasing the risk of infections. This deficiency is thought to contribute to over 450,000 deaths in children under 5 each year. Certain groups of individuals are particularly at risk for zinc deficiency. This includes people with gastrointestinal diseases, such as Crohn's disease, which can impair nutrient absorption. Vegetarians and vegans may also be at risk due to the limited dietary sources of zinc in plant-based diets. Pregnant and breastfeeding individuals have increased zinc requirements, making them more susceptible to deficiency. Zinc deficiency is hard to detect with lab tests because the body tightly regulates zinc levels, so you may still be deficient even if tests show normal levels. Doctors often consider other risk factors, like poor dietary intake and genetics, along with blood test results when deciding if you need zinc supplements. Many animal and plant foods are naturally rich in zinc, making it easy for most people to get enough. Foods rich in zinc are essential for maintaining optimal health. Shellfish, particularly oysters, crab, mussels, lobster, and clams, stand out as some of the highest sources of zinc. Various meats, including beef, pork, lamb, and bison, also provide significant amounts of this vital mineral. For those seeking plant-based options, legumes like chickpeas, lentils, black beans, and kidney beans are excellent sources. Nuts and seeds, including pumpkin seeds, cashews, and hemp seeds, also pack a zinc-rich punch. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese, along with eggs, further support zinc consumption. Whole grains such as oats, quinoa, and brown rice can provide additional zinc, while certain vegetables, including mushrooms, kale, peas, asparagus, and beet greens, also contribute to zinc intake in the diet. Incorporating a variety of these foods can help ensure adequate zinc levels. In addition to naturally zinc-rich foods, some foods, like ready-to-eat breakfast cereals and snack bars, are fortified with zinc. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on health and wellness. Let us know in the comments your thoughts on zinc and if you have any other topics you'd like us to cover. Stay healthy and see you next time.